Bathroom can be a very important spot in the home to homeowners. Some will choose to have it stunningly beautiful, some prefer it to be utilitarian, while others invest in designer hardware such as Italian shower faucet, mixer, and auto-sensor toilet bowls. Let us explore some of the more popular design styles used in today's homes. Welcome back to Design Maven. In today's Expert DNA, I'm Adrian Heng, and today we will be sharing the most popular top 5 bathroom trends. First comes the most popular choice, the contemporary bathroom. Contemporary bathrooms are up-to-date, elegant spaces that can be a great addition to any home. They reflect a forward-thinking design approach with clean lines, geometric patterns, flowing curves, and hard angles. They are appearing in more homes these days as homeowners move beyond traditional designs. Contemporary bathroom features uses of clean lines in monochromatic colors such as black, white, and grey, and sharp angles that team nicely with glass and stainless steel hardware to complete the look. Next comes the luxury glam bathroom. As the name suggests, glamour is the main part where gorgeous marble, granite, or large format tiles with beautiful grains take center stage as the foundation of the bathroom design. Polished or reflective surfaces are widely used, and chandeliers are sometimes seen in this glamour setting to give it an opulent ambience. Dark color palettes such as black and deep browns are often seen in this luxury setting to perk up the sophistication level. Imported gold bathroom hardware are often used to bring out the luxe factor in this bathroom.
Can luxury glam bathroom be incorporated into a HDB flat?
Of course, most definitely. Just ask your designer to design the flow and style of this house to match the luxury glam concept. While there are also times when the design of the bathroom is uniquely individual and does not match with any of the spaces in the house. Ultimately, it boils down mostly to personal preference. The minimalist bathroom ideas and designs are functional, precise, and often stark. The neat and uncluttered styling is achieved by eliminating most of the decor and instead replaced by a functional item to double as decor. Minimalist bathroom achieve a simple, serene aesthetic with clean lines and limited clutter. Hidden storage helps to keep surface tidy, and functional items such as towels and soap often serve as the only decor. Minimalist bathroom designs are highly organized and efficient, which helps streamline your daily routine. This bathroom concept is very close to nature, where outdoor elements such as unpolished or raw natural stones and plants are brought into the bathroom to highlight the design element. Nature-inspired elements can bolster the peaceful atmosphere of a minimalist bathroom. These are the bathrooms referencing different popular timeline history with a modern twist, such as Victoria Modern, Art Deco, pop culture, or even eclectic fusion. This fusion of styles may not appeal to the general masses, but they certainly do bring out the true personality and character of the homeowner themselves. Period styles are often adopted and pared down to suit the modern living and keep relatively clean in line with the adaptation of certain signature elements, which give the recognition to the style in that period.
Will period style bathroom be able to blend into a modern style living area?
Well, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. There are no hard and fast rule that says you cannot mix a modern style home with a period style bathroom. However, these two styles may not look cohesive. Most designers would not recommend, but it is up to the homeowner to decide since the owner is the one looking at it in the future. Whatever the style or element, homeowners are putting more emphasis on bathroom design as compared to yesteryears. The requirements vary, but most of them want a cozy and stylish bathroom. Combination of different styles in a bathroom adds character to the style, but do let your designer advise you on the best way to execute the design to bring out the true personality of the bathroom. Do let us know in the comments below which is your favorite bathroom designs, and feel free to send us pics of your bathroom and we will compile and share them in future episodes. Bathroom designs can be made a statement piece in the house, so don't be afraid to go bold and creative and make it a talking point when friends visit. Practicality and functionality are equally important in this small setting. Have ample storage and keep out clutter makes your bathroom vanity clean, fuss-free and easy to maintain. Whichever design you choose, make it a statement and enjoy it while you are inside. Make your bathroom interesting and add personal touches such as artwork or plants to give it more life. Always use anti-slip flooring for bathroom floors, especially inside the shower areas. The clever use of stainless steel strip to provide dividing between small pieces of polished marble will create a hump to prevent slipping. Tiles cut into thin strips also adds more traction on the floor. Use large format tiles to minimize joint lines and avoid using white grouting for shower areas. Do subscribe to our channel for more design tips and trends coming up. Thank you for watching. This is Adrian Heng signing off. See you guys in the next episode.